Do you ever just get bored playing card games by yourself all the time? I mean, how many times can we play solitaire, right? So, this video is going to have a bunch of suggestions of games and puzzles that you can play by yourself that'll kind of change things up. Ready? Let's go. Okay, so some games that we don't think about that are great for us to play by ourselves include that game of perfection when you have to put all the pieces into the right spot, and then you can make it more challenging by trying to time yourself how fast you can put it back together. Now, the Simon memory game, that is when you have to follow the pattern and the colors that you see on the circle board game. Dominoes. Dominoes are great because it changes up every time you play. Okay. Melissa and Doug, they have great puzzles that are challenging, that have different colors and shapes that just kind of gives us a different angle of what a puzzle can be. Other games can include Jenga, Boggle, cards, or large print puzzle games. Now, when it comes into the large print puzzles, it's more than just a word search or a crossword puzzle. There's labyrinths where you have to go through the mazes. There's connecting the dots. There are other types, including Sudoku. That can be a large print puzzle that can still give you a good challenge.